are so many teaching methods to teach English as foreign language. One of them is TPR. TPR, or Total Physical Response, is very important, especially when you work with children. So what is the TPR?
TPR, or Total Physical Response, is a language teaching method built around the coordination of speech and action. It attempts to teach language through physical or motor activity.
Hello everyone! Let me introduce, my name is, you can call me Kak Ben, and also
Kak Seli, Kak Selika.
Yay! Okay.
Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm fresh, I'm okay. 1, 2, 3. Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm fresh, I'm okay. Again, semangat dong, okay? Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm fresh, I'm okay. Okay, keep on.
This method is the combination of movement and language to enhance the language acquisition. It is coming from both teacher and student, not only the teacher doing action and the student listening, but it's double-sided. First, I will tell you about this. Later you will to repeat, yeah. First, this one is clean. Clean. Repeat.
Play.
Can you repeat louder? Play.
Play.
Once again.
Play.
Okay, very good. This one is Teddy.
Teddy.
What? Teddy.
Teddy.
Once again.
Teddy.
Teddy. Alright, very good. Now it's this one. Car.
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 What is car? And the last one is this one. Toothbrush.
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 Kalian harus tebak, nanti dikolin, terus dikolin mau kelihatan, oke? Oke, let's start.
I have my teddy.
Very good. And next?
I ride my car. I brush my teeth. I fly my plane.
Oke, gitu.
I have my teddy.
One more time.
I have my teddy.
Group A.
I drive my car.
Group A, group B.
I drive my car.
Group A.
I drive my car.
Group B.
I drive my
So in this TPR method, the student will learn more and will connecting movement to the language, so they will understand better rather than if they do it without the movement. Thank you and see you